Hello, welcome to another episode of Mark 2 Golf Stories, another one with the Mark 2 Golf GTI, aka the Lemon. In the last episode we took off the head. Today we're going to try and take out the bottom end. It may require us putting the head back on to lift it out, but we shall see. First job we've got to do is take off the steering pump to avoid us draining off all the power steering fluid and making a mess all over the floor. So there's a few bolts to take out for that, so let's get under and get cracking. So there should be 3 bolts on this, I think. One here, and one round here, this side, but they've already been taken out. Darby's taken that one out. I think he's taken that one off, or one wasn't there. So we've just got the one to take off, which already seems to be loose actually. So let's take that off. This goes into the bottom of the alternator bracket. So hopefully that should just come off now. So knock it off or... What's keeping that on? There's another one around here, around the back, just here. So I need to get that off. What's that, probably 13 mil, I reckon. There it is. Up here. On the wheel, 13 mil. Let's get that off. In fact, maybe easier to take the nut off the back of the tensioner. So we'll do that, see if we can whip it off. There's that off. Let's take yeah.
Don't be bloody breaking it, don't you?
Thanks. Ah, there is another bolt there. There's another bolt. Right there, which we need to take out. That's why it's not coming off. And that's behind the pump. Look at that. There we go. It's a bit awkward getting these off over this little clip here. But yeah, there we go, that's off. Keep that out of the way. There's the bolt.
This Scott.
What?
When you're coming up here, you've got to be careful you don't damage that.
Yeah.
The brake pipes are
Yeah.
very, very thick. That really ought some more clamps there. That's knackered that one.
Yeah. So what else are you doing? You're taking off the gear linkages, have you?
I've taken gear linkages off here.
Yep.
There to there.
We've got a new bush there, don't we? What you say, yeah.
Got a new bush. Got new bush there.
Oh yeah.
Then bottom there.
Yep.
That needs a new bush. So you want a set really.
Yeah.
Nice set. This is all connected, so that should be okay.
Also, looks like we need to take off the accelerator cable because it seems to be stuck in our gearbox.
It's knackered.
And it's knackered. So I'm going to just go and quickly disconnect that inside the car and show you how to get that off. So we should be able to get the Speedo cable off back of the clocks without taking the clocks off.
Yeah.
Should be able to. Let's have a little look. Okay, maybe I've got to take this bit off at the front. The plastic's around, so I'll do that. Right, that's all those screws off. Hopefully this will come out now. I've got another screw in it anywhere, doesn't look like it. Oh yes, there's one more left. So there's 4 screws out. Should come off. Oh, there's another one up here that I forgot about. Well, that LED wasn't plugged in. Right, that's off. Right. There we go. Should be able to get to the back of this now.
No, on that one.
Yeah.
Is there
There you go, it's unplugged.
is there a vacuum pipe to the Speedo?
Yep.
Okay. Is it okay?
Fucking hell, it's dirty in here.
Plugged in?
Yeah. Right, I'll try and feed that through from underneath if we can see it. Put this up here. Here you go, it's up here, Dad, look.
Oh, right.
Put the scuttle here. See ya.
I don't think that's where I think it'll go through there. Yeah.
Where's that?
Where's the one now? No, it's not gonna go. It's gone.
What do you mean it's gone?
It's gone. Come out.
Right.
Right. Put that down there for now.
So where did that it goes there? Right under here.
I wrap it around the engine here.
Underneath it.
Where's the gear? This you sort of decide it gearbox then. I mean,
Yeah.
you wrap it around there. Around here somewhere.
So we took the strap off this bolt at the back of the gearbox, which you can't really see, top of the gearbox. I hope that's the right place for it to go. If yours goes to a different place, let us know, but that's where ours goes to.
Put one bolt all together and I'll put them away.
Okay.
Are they okay with that? Yeah, what we would do is it
Finally. This one, and then we'll undo the bolts underneath the cross member.
just there's nothing on front of it. Are you going to take carpet off or are you going to have it there?
Leave it there for the moment. Well, it's 15 mil, isn't it? 15 mil.
I'll just clean it up and put some rust cure on it.
Right, so bang that in. Right, okay, so we want to wheel in the beast now, don't we? Well, we need to figure out how we're going to strap it up, don't we? Now, normally, when you take the engine out, you leave the head on and pick it up from mounting points on the head. We've taken our head off, so we're going to try put some full straps around the engine and attach those to the hook on the crane. We're just trying to find the best places to go with the straps around the engine.
I think backwards. Oh, lovely. Thank you, darling.
Here she is again.
I'll give you a kiss later.
Wonderful tea lady.
Tea lady, that's yours.
Thank you, Mum.
And I know what it's got.
Right, stop there. Please stop this up there.
I'm going away there. Look at those you want. Push in. So what will you try? That's what you're really used to doing that. Can I move that? Jack up a bit more. Just...
Right, remember truth. Let's see if it holds it up. That looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, you catch it on here.
Yeah, that's okay. Well, we can move.
Is this off now?
Yeah.
Check it for the bottom.
Don't go any more high with it.
I'll get off this thing here, really.
Well, that'll come off when we take this off there. So there's two bolts under here. Which you need to undo. One here, one on the other side. You actually let us drop this down then.
Is that all it is?
Yeah. Put it down. Joe, you okay? Right.
Wait a minute.
Right. Let's try and pull it out backwards.
Yeah.
Move this out of the way.
Open door.
You what?
Open door. Something still tied to it, I think. Hang on. What's that? Drive shaft.
Well, it'll come off if you turn it as it turns around.
Hang on. No, it's still in. It's nearly out. Right.
Out?
Yeah.
Okay. Bloody hell. Okay.
Oh, but down roast got an engine out.
We did it! Gently hold it. Don't push it. Do you want to pull it now?
No.
Do that.
No.
Well, hey, we did it. We got the engine out. Amazing. So that's it for this video. But in the next video, we're going to take the sump off and have a look what damage is inside it. Split the gearbox from it. Yeah, have a good old look at it. If you found this video useful, please drop a like, click on subscribe to find out what happens next with it. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. Thanks to Albie and James. Thanks to my dad as always. We'll see you in another video again soon. Thanks. Bye bye.